Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Toyota RAV4 CV 3-door, stock reference number 4047. This shape runs from the 7th month 2000 through to the 10th month 2005. It has a 2AZ FE, 4-cylinder, 2.4 litre petrol engine, backed by a 5-speed manual, full all-wheel drive transmission. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left front. We have the right-hand headlight, which does have light sun cracks, right-hand fog light, radiator grille. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door has a couple of small dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light, left-hand bumperette. Tailgate appears to have no damage. It's got a hard spare wheel cover. Right-hand tail light, right-hand bumperette. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a grey vinyl centre console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy light, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Toyota Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.